तारे जमी पे तारे जमी पे start on land,
जी हाँ
also
बच्चों,
know
ये जो
it
आप
like star on earth in English in 2007 Indian Hindi language drama film produced and directed by Amir Khan. The film star Khan himself along with Darsil Safari, Teni Chadda, Sachet Anger, Vipin Sharma and Tisku Chopra. The film explores the life and imagination of Ishan Safari, an 8-year-old dyslexic child. Although he excels in art, his poor academic performance led in his parents to send him to boarding school. Ishan new art teacher Nikum Khan sir suspected that he is dyslexia and help him to overcome his reading disorder. This film is critical and story creative director and writer Alom Gupta initially developed the idea with his wife Deepa Bharti, who served as the film's editor. Shankar Ehsan Loy composed the film score and Prasun Joshi wrote the lyrics for many of the song. Principal photography looks play in Mumbai and Punjab. Panchganj New East High School and some of the school students make appearance. The film made its theatrical debut in India on 21 December 2007 and UTV Home Entertainment related a DVD for India audience in 2008. Disney lets Reels of Entertainment edition DVD market the film's purchase of distribute rights for an India films by a global company. Alonging universe एकल्म्स तारे जमी पर है has received numerous awards and is proved vital in raising awareness about dyslexia. It was India's official entry for 2009 Academic Award Best of Foreign Films, but did not progress further. Plot: Ishan Nandkishore Awasthi Nandkishore Awasthi is an 8-year-old boy with dyslexia and thus has trouble following school through he is assumed by all to hate learning and is belittled for it. His imagination, creative and talent for art and painting are often disregarded. His father, Nordishore Awasthi, is a successful executive who expects his children to excel, and his mother's Maya Awasthi is housewife, frustrated by her inability to educate Ishan's elder brother Johan Awasthi is an expert student and athlete in Hosh. So Ishan remained fed up with his falter. Ishan's father sends him to boarding school. Along there, he repeatedly sinks into a state of fear, anxiety, and depression. His only friend is Rajan Damodar, a physically disabled but boy who is one of the top students. The school teachers are even more abused than his old school. Ishan contemplates suicide, but Rajan saved him. Ishan's condition improved when a new art teacher, Ramshankar Nikumb, a careful and optimistic instructor at the Tulip School for Young Children with Development Disability, joins the boarding school. Nikum teacher style is markedly different from that of his strict and abused predecessor, and he quickly note Ishan unhappy. He review Ishan's work and concluded that his academic shortcomings are indicate of dyslexia. Nikumb that files to Mumbai to visit Ishan parents where he is surprised to discover Ishan's hidden interest in art. He demonstrated to Ishan parents who Ishan has extremely difficulty in understanding letter and words due to dyslexia. Nand Kishore labels it as mental retardation and dismissed it as laziness. Frustrated by Nikum sir, neglect Nikum leaves Nikum sir that fits guide for his treatment of